Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study from class 10th chapter 5 Arithmetic Progressions, exercise 5.1 question 1. In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? So in this video we will see the two parts and the next video will see the remaining two parts. So let's see the first situation let us study, and we have to find whether does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression here, and if it is yes, then why we have to answer. So let's see the first situation. The first situation is the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So what they are telling is taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer. So that means first kilometer the fare is rupees 15, and then the next following kilometers, each kilometers the additional will be 8. That means each kilometer 8 will be added. So what will be, whether we have to form whether list of numbers comes here are AP or not. So first kilometer. So the first kilometer it is rupees 15, and then for the second kilometer added, what is that? Kilometer is 8 rupees for each additional kilometer. So that means rupees 15 will be there fixed plus 8 will be added. So which will be 15 plus 8 will be 23. Now for the third kilometer, so already the fare is what? Fare is already 23. Now total amount is 23. Now additionally 8 rupees will be added. So then that will give us 31 rupees. So now next kilometer, the next kilometer again, now already it is fare is 31 now. It is 31. So now one more 8 rupees will be added. So then that will be 39 rupees. I hope you are understanding. The first kilometer 15 rupees is fixed, and for each kilometer 8 rupees will be going on adding to the amount that is there. So the 15 rupees first, and along with next kilometer 8 rupees will be added. Then we get 23 rupees, and the following kilometer with this 23 rupees another 8 rupees will be added. So that means each kilometer 8 rupees are added to the amount that is there. So you can do either this way, or also you can use the other formula, that is a plus d and a plus 2d. That also you can add and you can find out. So now let's find out. So what are the series we have got here? The series that we have here is the series, AP series that we have got here is 15, 23, 31 and 39. We can continue also, no problem, but just 2, 3, 4 is enough. So this is the series formed. Now we have to check whether this is AP or not. So A value is what actually? The first value is 15. Now we have to find out whether the common difference is same or not. So if we get the common difference same, then we can say that this is the AP. So D to find out, we said from A to we have to minus A to minus we have to from A to we have to minus A. So A2 is what here? So this is our A2. You can write A1 also, but in the formula it is given A only. So A2, A3, this is our A4. So A2 minus A. So A2 is what? 23. A2 is 23 minus A is what? 15, which gives us 8. So now next let us find out for A3. So A3 minus A2. So A3 is what? A3 is 31 minus 23. So that will give us 8. So again one more, let's find out from A4 minus A3. So A4 is 39 minus 31 gives us 8. So that means the common difference is same. So there is a pattern is being formed. Therefore, we can say since the terms continually increases. Since the term continuously increases by the same number, so by the same number 8, so the list is formed is AP. So we have answered the first question. So now let's see the second one. Second one, try to understand the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So what they are trying to tell us is there is a cylinder is there. In that cylinder there is air is present. How much air present? We don't know. So the amount of air we don't know. So some air is present. So now when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So whatever remaining at a time, what air is remaining? 1/4 of the air is pumped. Then next, how much it is remaining? From there 1/4 of air is pumped it out. So that's what we have to find out. So now let's see. Let the amount of air present. So because we don't know, right? So let the amount of air present in the cylinder is X unit. Since we don't know, we write it X units. So now at present, so now we have X we have. So X unit of air is present. So now the next step we have X unit. From X unit we have to minus 1/4 of the air is pumped out. Now this try to understand. Now for example, here I'll show you. For example, I have rupees 100, right? I have rupees 100 rupees that day. So I want to spend 1/4 of 100 rupee to buy something. Now 1/4 of 100 rupee I have to spend. So how we will know 1/4 of 100 rupee? Then what we do, from 100 we multiply 1/4. So then we will get 1/4 of 100. So I have rupees 100. Now I want to spend 1/4 of 100 rupee. So that is how much? So 25 rupees. So that means 1/4 of 100 is 25 rupees. So from 100 rupee I am spending 25 rupees. So how I know 1/4 of 100 rupees is 25? So this is how 100 into 1/4. When we multiply, we get the 1/4 of the 100 rupee. So same method we are using here. So first X amount of air is present. Second, from that X amount of air, we have to, vacuum is pumping out 1/4 of the air. So 1/4 of the air means from this X amount of air, 1/4 of the air. So X amount of air we have, in that 1/4 amount of the air we have to pump it. Exactly here. See, 100 rupee I have. Then I want to spend 1/4 of 100 rupee. That means 100 I multiply with 1/4. Then only I get 25 rupees. So this is how we have written here. X into 1/4. Then when we multiply, we get the 1/4 of the remaining air, that is X. So then when we calculate this, what we will get? We will get, so X minus, this will get X upon 4. So now here denominator we don't have anything. We consider that there is 1. So when we want to get in denominator 4, then both the side we multiply with 4. So we will get 4x here minus x, and common will be 4, because here also we multiply by 4, here also we multiply by 4. So we get denominator both the side 4. So now what we will get? 4x minus x will be 3x upon 4. So this is the second step. Now how much of air we are having? So this is the first step. I would say this is our A, then this is our A2, right? So this is the amount now present. So now next, how much we are having now in the cylinder? How much of air is present? 3x upon 4 air is present. So in that 1/4 amount of the air we have to pump it out. So now again 1/4 of this how we will get? Again you have to take 3x upon 4 into 1 upon 4. Then only you will get 1/4 of this. As I said here, you want to get 100 ka 1/4, then 100 you have to multiply by 1 upon 4. So same way, if you want 1/4 of 3x upon 4, then 3x upon 4 we have to multiply with 1 upon 4, then we will get the 1/4 of 3x upon 4. So now 3x upon 4 minus this will be 3x upon 4 4s are 16. So now here 16 we have in denominator, here we have 4 in denominator. So what we will do, both the side we will multiply with the 4, then we will get here 4 4s are 16 will come. So both side will multiply with 4. So then we will get 4 3s are 12x. So here will be 4 16 only. So it will be in common 16 and here minus 3x. So what we will get? We will get 9x upon 16. So this is our second step. So how much, what is the AP we have got? AP we have found, that is the series of number that we found. First we had x, next we had 3x upon 4, then we had 9x upon 16. Now we have to check whether it is AP or not. So to check, what we have to find out? We have to find the D value, because from this number we minus this, from here we minus this, then only we will get the D value. So D value, to find out, what we do normally, we have to find out from the next we have to minus the previous one. So that is A2 minus A. So A2 is what actually? A2, let's number it. This is our A, this is our A2, this is our A3. So A2 is what? 3x upon 4 minus A is what? X. So then what we will get? So here in denominator we don't have anything, so we will consider there is 1. So both the side multiply by 4. So what we will get? Here we will have 3x by 4. Here both side we multiply with 4, then we will have 4x. Then here also we will have 4. So now denominator we have 4, so we write 4. Then 3x minus 4x. So biggest number is 4x. So we will get minus x, because minus 4x minus from minus 4x you minus 3x. Then biggest number is minus 4x. So we will get minus x. So now the next. So next we will see. So D, from A3 we will minus A2. From A3 minus A2. So A3 is what? A3 is 9x upon 16 minus A2 is what? 3x upon 4. So now denominators are different. So to get the denominator same, both the side we will multiply by 4. Then we will get the 16. So this will remain as it is, minus. So 4 with 4 when we multiply, we will get 12x. Then this will be 16. This also will be 16. So I write in common 16. So here also biggest number is minus 12. So when you subtract, we will get minus 3x upon 16. So now you see the D value. Here it is D value. Here it is minus x upon 4. Here it is minus 3x upon 16. So therefore, this does not form an AP. I hope the sum is clear to you. Thank you and God bless you.